In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a full FAQ page on Shopify. We are going to create a simple FAQ page directly from your Shopify admin. This is a good way to organize common customer questions in one place, so visitors can quickly find helpful answers about shipping, returns, products, or any other topics you want to cover. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Online Store, then click Pages. This area is where you can create and manage standard pages for your store, such as contact pages, about pages, and of course, FAQ pages. When you are on the Pages screen, click Add Page. This will open a new page editor where you can build your FAQ page. In the title field, enter FAQ if you want to keep it short and simple. You can also use frequently asked questions if you prefer a more formal page title. Either option works fine, so choose the one that fits your store best. Next, move down to the content box. This is where you will type out your questions and answers. Add each question clearly, then place the answer right below it. Keep your wording easy to understand, and try to make each answer helpful and direct. A clean layout will make the page easier for customers to read, especially if you have several questions listed on the page. After that, look over to the right side of the page editor and find the Theme Template section. Here, select Default Page. This tells Shopify to display your FAQ using the standard page layout from your current theme. If your theme supports custom templates, you may see other options, but for this setup, you will want to choose Default Page exactly as shown. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your FAQ page will then be created and stored in your Shopify Pages section. At that point, you can review it, edit the content later if needed, or link it in your store navigation so customers can access it easily. That covers everything you need to know.